sa'yo eh.
Break my mind. Can you tell me what you see? Maybe help me up this wall that's been blocking me. Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Hey, hey, getting closer every day.
Happy
Birthday, Princess!
Yana!
We love you!
There's an emptiness.
Happy birthday, Yana. Mahal na mahal ka na.
Happy birthday, Yana!
Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Hey, hey, getting closer every day.
Hindi siya makatulog kapag wala sa tabi niya si Daddy. Kasi nagpapakalmot siya sa likod. At saka Daddy's girl, sobrang Daddy's girl talaga.
Happy birthday, Yana. Sana pagkatapos ka ng pag-aaral.
God bless and I love you. Mahal ka namin.
Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Hey, hey, getting closer every day. Hey, hey, every day. Every day. Oh, hey, hey, every day. Oh.
Si Yana, malambing. Malambing talaga. Tsaka mahilig siyang tumulong sa akin. Matalino, fast learner. Bait yan, sweet, kahit na minsan pasaway, pero mabait.
Happy birthday, Anna. This is my gift for you. I hope you like it. Happy birthday, Rihanna. I hope you enjoy my gift and I wish you good health.
Happy 7th birthday, Yana. You are a blessing to all of us. Soon you'll figure out that life is harder than defeating the boss in Splatoon, but your family will always have your back. Happy birthday, Yana. We love you.
Yana, anak, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa party mo. Sana nag-enjoy ka. At saka, wish ko lang sa'yo, anak, yung mga pangarap mo matupad. Sabi mo kasi, you want to be a doctor. Sana matupad mo yun, anak. Lagi lang kami nandito ni Daddy para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga kapatid mo.